students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is to prove that sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A is equals to 2 times cosec A. So let's start from the left hand side, LHS. Correct. So on left hand side we have sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Correct. It is equals to, not what we'll do, we'll cross multiply and do the LCM. So sin A into sin A will become sin square A plus 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. This will become 1 plus cos A whole square divided by, after LCM it will become sin A into 1 plus cos A. Correct. Now this is equals to sin A as it is, sin square A as it is. Now we'll open this, we'll get 1 plus cos square A plus we'll get 2 times cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now it is equals to sin square A plus cos square A is 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 times cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Correct. It is equals to 2 plus 2 cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now we'll take 2 common, we'll get 2 times 1 plus cos A divided by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now 1 plus cos A and 1 plus cos A will cancel out, and 2 times 1 upon sin A. 1 upon sin A is cosec A. So this will become 2 times cosec A, which is our RHS. Hence proved. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.